So my name is Tim Macmillan. I'm a director and I look after sales and marketing at Foam Sealant. So at Foam Sealant, we produce foam gaskets and tapes for the construction, transport, agriculture and manufacturing industries. We are motivated to build a building like this because we were growing substantially. In Dandenong South, we're restricted with our building. Gave us the impetus to move to Bendigo because that's where we lived, and it gave us the opportunity to start on a clean slate, which is what Entegra has allowed us to do. With the awning at Dandenong, that was very small, very susceptible to weather, which restricted us. Over in Bendigo, with Entegra's building, we've got a massive awning, and they even strategically positioned the building on the block so that when the rain comes, it comes from the west normally. The awning is out to the east, so that means we're getting a lot of dry area under that awning, which makes it a lot easier for us to unload containers. The general day-to-day running of the business has become easier. They also gave us a temperature-controlled room, which is one of our specifications, and they went over and above what we needed. Also, they've put a special epoxy coating on our concrete floor, which makes it easier to keep the building clean. So another standout feature with this building was all the services in the factory running to the machines are sub-concrete, which allows for cleanliness, but it also makes it a safer environment for our staff. There's no tripping hazards. We wanted to have a better presence, and this building has certainly allowed us to do that by the facade and the presence of it when you drive into the driveway. It looks quite grand. One of the greatest comments that we had was our staff in Melbourne. Some of them have shifted to Bendigo and they absolutely love the facility. It's got a fully fitted out kitchen for the factory staff, fitted off marvellously. It's amazing. So initially we had a meeting with Entegra and they asked what our requirements were. We gave that to them and they met that with impeccable detail. They were extremely clear in their communication with us, right down from the top to the project manager and then to the site foreman. They were constantly giving us updates on how it was progressing on site. Once the works started to happen on site, everything happened very quickly and efficiently. And if there was ever a change, they were immediately on the phone to us. So that was excellent on Entegra's behalf. So if we had to expand out of this building, I think we'd have no second thoughts about Entegra projects. We'd run with them again at the drop of a hat, right from when they first met us till when they handed over the project. It was an awesome experience.